Welcome to the Nile Campus Zero Trust Integration session. In this session, you'll discover how Nile seamlessly connects with leading industry solutions to enable secure user authentication, enhanced network visibility, and centralized security monitoring. With real-time data sharing and streamlined IT workflows, Nile integrations empower your organization to operate efficiently and respond swiftly to threats. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your network with Nile's powerful integration capabilities. Let's kick things off with discussing Nile's integration ecosystem. We've revisited the traditional integration model and are delivering an enhanced model that is designed to connect a wide array of top-tier platforms effortlessly across identity management, access and policy, IT service management, and cloud security solutions. Instead of working in silos, Nile brings everything together, weaving critical data and workflows into one intelligent, seamless network fabric. This powerful integration means real-time visibility is easier to present from a single dashboard. Automated threat detection kicks in instantly, and incident response becomes smooth and efficient. The network evolves from a complex collection of devices into a dynamic, interconnected system that embraces zero-trust security, boosts operational efficiency, and ensures continuous compliance, all happening live in real time. In essence, Nile's integration model doesn't just enhance the network. We're transforming how security works across systems into a smarter, safer, and more agile environment ready to meet today's fast-paced demands. Now, let's explore how Nile Access Service transforms network authentication with our built-in and powerful single sign-on SSO solution. Imagine logging in once and gaining secure access across both wired and wireless networks. No more juggling multiple passwords or separate logins. That's exactly what Nile delivers. What makes this even better is that Nile seamlessly integrates with your existing identity providers, IDPs, including platforms like Azure AD, Okta, Google Workspace, OneLogin, and more. This integration ensures users enjoy a smooth, secure login experience without any extra hassle. Many users face frustration from managing multiple passwords and repeated logins throughout their workday, which often translates into workarounds or shortcuts that circumvent security. The built-in SSO integration is specifically designed to eliminate this pain point, simplifying access while enhancing security. Let's now explore how Nile implements Campus Zero Trust to secure both wired and wireless access with strong identity and device management. For wireless access, users can self-register their devices through an SSO-enabled portal for PSK-based SSID as well. Nile then assigns unique wireless keys, UPSK, for each user device pair, ensuring secure, personalized connections that follow zero-trust principles. Importantly, Nile is the only vendor that provides true single sign-on integration with wireless networks, making this a unique and powerful capability. On the wired side, all ports remain blocked until the user authenticates via MAC authentication, 802.1x, or SSO. Based on their role and device, Nile automatically assigns them to the correct network segment. This simplifies onboarding and maintains consistent security across your entire network. For federated users, the process is just as smooth. They log in with their organization's credentials, and Nile uses ESCM to sync group memberships automatically, assigning users to appropriate network segments based on their roles, whether faculty, students, or staff. Device management is also streamlined. Employees can easily self-register devices through the SSO portal, while admins benefit from real-time compliance monitoring and the ability to instantly revoke access if a device is lost or a user leaves the organization. So, in a nutshell, Nile blends strong zero-trust security, effortless SSO, and smart identity and device management to keep your network safe and your users happy. It's security and simplicity working hand in hand. Let's talk about SIEM, or Security Information and Event Management Solution. Your organization's security nerve center that collects and analyzes data from firewalls, servers, and devices. Traditional legacy solutions with SEIM often face challenges like complex, time-consuming deployments, high costs, alert overload with many false positives, integration difficulties, heavy maintenance, and slow reporting. This is where Nile's Trust Service makes a difference. Nile integrates seamlessly with top SIEM platforms like Splunk, Snowflake, and Sumo Logic, centralizing all network security data into one clear, real-time dashboard. This integration delivers instant alerts, real-time threat detection, and detailed audit trails, helping your team respond faster and manage compliance more effectively. Imagine getting an alert the moment suspicious activity happens on your Wi-Fi. With exact device and location details, that's Nile and SIEM working together to keep your network secure and your team empowered. Now let's look at how CM integration with Nile brings real-time security and operational benefits to your organization. First, with threat detection and response, Nile establishes thresholds to quickly spot specific attacks, like authentication or deauthentication floods that can knock users offline. This means the system isn't just waiting for something to go wrong. It's proactively watching for unusual spikes and can act with minimal manual intervention. The big win here? Your network is more reliable, and users are connected with confidence, even when someone tries to attack your network. Next, under automated detection and notification, Nile's wireless intrusion detection system, or WIDS, takes the lead in handling Wi-Fi denial of service attacks. The system ensures continuous connectivity and performance by automatically isolating any malicious activity before it spreads. So, if something suspicious happens, you're automatically alerted with all of the context needed to act fast and keep your environment secure. Finally, in compliance and reporting, Nile streams all relevant security events directly to your SIEM platform. This not only supports secure authentication and scales as your network grows, but it also makes compliance reporting efficient and hassle-free. All the logs and details you need for audits or regulatory checks are right at your fingertips. So, with Nile and SIEM working together, you get proactive threat detection, automated response, and simplified compliance, all designed to keep your network safe, resilient, and easy to manage. Now, let's explore how integrating Logic Monitor with Nile transforms your network monitoring and management into a seamless, real-time operation. Logic Monitor is a powerful hybrid observability platform widely recognized for its ability to monitor everything from cloud services to network infrastructure across complex enterprise environments. When combined with Nile, it takes network visibility and security to the next level. Unlike traditional network monitoring that relies heavily on SNMP CLI or raw logs, Nile exports synthesized high-value events directly from its cloud service to Logic Monitor. This includes end-user device events like connection status and authentication results, service-related alerts covering infrastructure and security issues, and detailed audit trails of user actions within the Nile portal. This integration is secured via Logic Monitor's generic log ingestion API, creating a reliable encrypted connection that continuously streams these events into your Logic Monitor instance. Once connected, you gain a centralized, unified view of your network's health and security posture. Let's review the key types of data that Nile sends to Logic Monitor as part of the integration. First, Nile forwards end-user device events. This includes all device activities visible on the Nile portal, such as device connections and disconnections, authentication successes or failures, DHCP pass or fail events, and more. Second, Nile sends service-related alerts. These cover alerts related to services, infrastructure components like DHCP, Radius, DNS, as well as security and application monitoring alerts, including those related to the Nile infrastructure itself. Third, audit trails are also forwarded. This means any user actions within the Nile portal, such as configuration changes or setting modifications, are logged and sent to Logic Monitor. Technically, this data is sent securely over HTTPS using Logic Monitor's generic log ingestion feature. Nile establishes a connection to the customer's Logic Monitor instance using an access key and access code generated within Logic Monitor, which are then configured in the Nile portal. Additionally, Nile supports mapping these logs to specific Logic Monitor resources, so all incoming data is properly categorized and easy to search or group within Logic Monitor. Let's quickly look at how Nile's integration with ITSM platforms like ServiceNow can boost your IT operations. Organizations often use ITSM solutions to automate ticket creation and incident tracking, cutting down manual work and errors. Real-time syncing means your IT team gets instant alerts with full context, so issues get resolved faster. By connecting Nile's network events with IT workflows, everyone stays on the same page, improving collaboration and data accuracy. Compliance is easier too, with detailed audit trails and real-time updates ready for reporting. And most importantly, faster resolutions and clear updates keep users happy and confident in IT. In short, this integration makes your network and IT service management smarter, faster, and more efficient. Let's walk through a real-time scenario that shows how Nile's integration with ITSM platforms like Service now streamlines incident management and keeps your network running smoothly. Imagine Nile's monitoring system detects a critical network outage. Instead of waiting for someone to notice or manually create a ticket, Nile automatically generates an incident ticket in your ITSM platform via webhook integration. This automation is key. It eliminates delays and ensures no incident goes unnoticed. Immediately, your IT team receives detailed alerts with all the relevant network event data. The incident is assigned to the right resolver group based on expertise, so the right people jump on the problem without wasting time. From there, progress is tracked in real time within the ITSM tool. Updates flow back and forth between Nile and the ITSM system, keeping everyone informed and aligned. This synchronized tracking means faster decisions and coordinated responses. The outcome? Rapid incident resolution that minimizes downtime and reduces the impact on your end users. Plus, all actions are logged, creating a clear audit trail that supports compliance and helps with future analysis. This integration isn't just about speeding up workflows, it's about creating a seamless, automated process that connects network monitoring and IT service management in real time. It empowers your teams to respond faster, work smarter, and keep your business running without interruption. Lastly, let's dive into how Nile integrates with Secure Service Edge, or SSE platforms. SSE is all about consolidating key security functions like secure web gateways, data loss prevention, and cloud access security into a single cloud-native platform. This means users and devices are protected no matter where they connect, from the office, home, or anywhere in between. Nile complements this by delivering zero-trust security at the campus level. Instead of relying on traditional VLANs or complex ACLs, Nile isolates every device and user on the wired and wireless network. This per-host isolation dramatically reduces your attack surface and stops threats from moving laterally across your network. Now, here's where the integration gets powerful. Nile's Trust Service forwards all campus and branch traffic directly to SSE providers like Zscaler, Palo Alto, or Microsoft to unify campus and branch security with that of your remote access model. This seamless forwarding ensures consistent policy enforcement and threat protection everywhere, without needing extra agents, extra on-premises hardware, or a complicated setup. For IoT devices, which are often vulnerable, Nile isolates them individually and sends their traffic through SSE controls or through built-in microsegmentation. This approach eliminates common IoT security risks and prevents threats from spreading. Overall, this integration simplifies your security operations by automating segmentation, policy enforcement, and threat detection, giving you a scalable, consistent security posture across your entire hybrid workplace. Let's walk you through a real-world example of how Nile's integration with Security Service Edge, or SSE, platforms works to protect your network in real time. Imagine you have a busy campus or branch network with many wired and wireless users, including IoT devices. Suddenly, a suspicious activity is detected, maybe a malware infection or an unusual data flow from a device. Thanks to Nile's zero-trust architecture, each device is isolated at the network level, so any threat is automatically contained to just that device, preventing lateral movement. But the real power comes from SSE integration. Nile's Trust Service forwards all campus and branch traffic seamlessly to your SSE solution, which performs real-time traffic inspection, content filtering, and threat prevention across all user interactions, no matter where the user or device is located. In this scenario, the SSE platform would quickly detect any malicious traffic or policy violation and instantly block it, while Nile's network isolation ensures the infected device cannot spread the threat internally. All this happens automatically, without complex configurations or additional agents, providing consistent security enforcement across your entire hybrid network, from the campus to the cloud. The result? Your network stays secure and reliable, threats are stopped in their tracks, and your IT team gains clear visibility and control, all in real time. So to wrap up, Nile is all about making your security smarter and simpler. It saves you time and money by automating complex tasks and cutting down manual work. You get clear, real-time visibility and control over your entire network, which means fewer surprises and faster decisions. With zero trust built in and instant threat detection, your security stays strong no matter what. Plus, Nile's cloud-native design means it's ready to grow and adapt as your needs change. In short, Nile doesn't just integrate your tools, it transforms how you manage security and networks, making your operations faster, safer, and more efficient. That's the real power of Nile. Thank you for watching.